Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Steve Business. In this video right here, I'm going to show you how you can make money online in 2022 in a legitimate way with this new method and this new opportunity that are available for everybody to make money online for this year with the Facebook Metaverse. In fact, if you have not heard of it before, Metaverse universe from Facebook is basically a new reality with a new job opportunity that are opening right now in 2022 with a whole new reality of opportunity and businesses that you can go for, look forward for this new year, where you can just settle down, be on the right time, on the right moment, and start to make money before everybody else. In this video right here, I'm going to tell you how you can make money from it, what type of business you can run about it, what other opportunity right now for you can make money, achieve financial freedom, and be your own boss, what job opportunities you can look forward, what skills, abilities, and opportunity are available for this brand new year, so that you will be able to make money, achieve financial freedom, be your own boss. And if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Steve Finance, so that you won't miss any new video that I upload every week. And as always, I will leave the links in the box below so you can go and connect with me. So just for give you a little bit of context and make you understand what we are talking about, let's just read this article. Interest in Metaverse land, virtual real estate, and the hottest new craze in crypto is exploding. Over 100 million was invested in it last week, according to crypto analyst Dab Rather. Metaverse land is a virtual property in the form of NFTs, unique digital token that can represent ownership in just about anything online, such as audio, or in this case a piece of Metaverse itself. Most Metaverse activity currently exists on the Ethereum network, the blockchain that power the second biggest cryptocurrency project by market cap, though competition network Solana is quickly picking up the space. In the Metaverse, regardless of which network, investors can buy the land, build their own virtual world on top of it, and eventually interact and explore as avatars, all through NFTs. Investors are on the Metaverse land buying frenzy partially because of Meta, formerly known as Facebook, the seventh biggest company in the world by market cap, rebranding it in a bit of focus on recreating an NFT metaverse. So basically, in this case, the way that you are gonna to make money out of it, as you have seen here in this case with Metaverse world, is basically by owning piece of land and flipping it, by basically buying it and then selling them at a higher price, like a real estate market with real properties. But in this case, you can understand that this might be hard, can be really complicated to be a winner and make money out of it. And of course, you also need to have knowledge about the market, mostly if you want to make money out of it and achieve financial freedom and be your own boss. In this case, you need to have knowledge, experience about cryptocurrency, about NFTs, about digital assets, stock. You need to understand how the market works. Otherwise, that could be a little bit hard. So in this case, we're going to focus on an easier way to make money, something that everybody can do as a beginner. But of course, if you already have a lot of experience and a budget to invest, if you know how blockchain, how the crypto market work, of course, you can also make money out of it by buying and selling land on Metaverse. But let's just move on into something a little bit more easy that everybody can get started to make money out of it, and just about the business opportunity available for everybody, even as a beginner, that are going to make you a lot of money with these NFT real estate properties. And in this case, Mark Zuckerberg gave us a really easy explanation of the opportunity available for everybody. The Metaverse is the next evolution of social connection. Our company's vision is to help bring Metaverse to life. So we are changing our name to reflect our commitment to this future. The Metaverse will be social. 3D spaces in the Metaverse will let you socialize, learn, collaborate, and play in ways that go beyond what we can imagine. listen to Mark Zuckerberg share our vision for bringing the metaverse to life together. And of course, also here you can see he made different video and audio that basically show you the different opportunity available: education, commerce, building the metaverse together, building responsibly. As we see here, Mark Zuckerberg say, building the metaverse. We're already developing existing new technology that will help people connect and explore in the metaverse. Fact, in this case, what will help you to make money in this metaverse world is basically selling and buying properties. A piece of land that somebody is interested in buying. And in this case, as you can see here, there are different properties with different design. And as you can see here, in this metaverse world, as a third way to make money out of it in 2022, all of this land have behind teams of expert designers that are working on it. So even as a designer, if you have any knowledge or experience, or if you wanted to develop any soft skills into designer sector, there are a lot of job opportunities available for you. Not just by flipping properties, not just by selling and buying them or lending them out, but also if you end up by owning a good property somebody's interested into, you can also make a good profit out of it. Let's just take a more easy step, a more easy example that everybody can understand. In this case, you can actually already, just by this moment, buy and sell properties. Let's look here. For example, on this website OpenSea, you can buy and sell properties, in this case piece of land. About an example of how the metaverse could look like, that was in that case more specific about the games The Sandbox. You can already buy and sell land, and in the same way that's how the metaverse world could look like. For example, if we look here for this piece of land, as you can see here, we can see the owner's name and of course the highest offer. In this case, the price would be equal to 3 Ethereum. That would be equal to $9,000, almost $10,000. So this, you can understand how much valuable it is. And of course also the description: a land is a digital piece of a real estate in the sandbox metaverse that the players can buy to build experience on top of. Once you own a land, you will be able to populate it with games and assets. Each land is unique, non-fungible, taken and lying on the public Ethereum blockchain. And as you can see here, in this metaverse world, as a third way to make money out of it in 2022, all of this land have behind teams of expert designers that are working on it. So even as a designer, if you have any knowledge or experience, or if you wanted to develop any stuff, but also if you end up by owning a good property somebody's interested into, you can also make a good profit out of it. And also in this case, as a designer, if you wanted to work for these teams of experts. So basically, as you can see right now, the more this metaverse world grow and develop, the more business opportunities are going to grow, and the more money you will be able to make money out of it right now, just if you jump into this new market, just if you want to get to know more about this new reality. And if you are ready for this new business opportunities that are going to open, because there are going to be a lot of business that are going to jump into this, they will need to hire experts, people that know about this market, freelancers that have experience. There will be a lot of opportunities. So if you want to be ready for it, just start to learn more about this metaverse world right now, so you will be ready for it. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel Steve Finance, so that you don't miss every new video that I upload every week. And as always, I will leave you the links in the box below, so you can go and connect with me. And if you want to get to know more about this metaverse world, if you have any question, don't be afraid to let me know in the comment box below. Just drop a comment, you will know.